I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this VW Sharan. For a menu screen on radio there, you click nav, comes up, if it comes up on the map screen anyway, click nav again. Then you've got here, if you turn that, address, destination memory, last destinations, petrol station, car park, points of interest. So we'll go to address, click on address using this rotary control in the middle there, country, that's onto postcode. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston P. So using the rotary control there, P are gone up to numbers here, 5, 4, defaulted back to letters, J, S. Click start.
The route is being calculated. Please turn if possible and then immediately make a turn to the right.
Now it's asking us to do that because we're on the we're sat on the forecourt and I've confused it, but very, very simple and easy system to use. It's really good. You've also got it here when you get near enough home, when you're miles away, you set the sat nav obviously. When you get 50 mile away or within signs, you don't want it keep chiming up telling you what to do. So you just click the top there, little speaker with a line through it, and click stop. That's it done.